Okay, hi guys! For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kaylee. I am the founder of Zipnada, a sustainable lifestyle brand. I make videos regarding all aspects of sustainability, more specifically how to live zero waste or low impact in a rural city, such as where I am. So I just wanted to stop on by. I know it's been a while. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about my oral care routine. This is strictly my experience, what works really well for me. I am not a dentist, I am not a doctor or a healthcare professional. So just take what serves you and leave the rest. And yeah, I just wanted to add that little disclaimer in there. So everybody is different. So what works for me and what works for one person isn't necessarily going to work for everybody. But I do like to show a little bit of alternatives if you are interested. So I started with this toothpaste recipe that I'm going to share. Just a really quick story before I get into it. Feel free to skip if you don't care. But so my story with the tooth powder and the toothpaste is I am allergic somehow to something in both natural toothpaste, like the Tom's toothpaste and doTERRA and stuff like that, and the conventional toothpaste like Crest, or I don't think I know any other companies, but basically no matter what toothpaste I was using, I was getting really bad mouth sores and they were very painful, and when I stopped using those kinds of toothpaste, they went away. So I spoke to my dentist and he said that I could have an allergy or a reaction to an ingredient. So I chose to stop. I kind of experimented on my own with making my own. So I tried a couple different recipes and I took some ingredients that worked well in all of them and I combined them, and this is kind of what I've been using. So in my recipe, I don't really measure it out. I go based on the consistency. So linked to this video is a blog post and you can have exact measurements from there, but in this video I'm just making it how I usually make it, so you just see me exactly step for step how I make my personal toothpaste. But if you want exact measurements, please check out the link below and it'll be linked in there for you. So like I said, this video includes step-by-step my toothpaste recipe, my homemade toothpaste. And then I also go through what I use, like the bamboo toothbrush. Just wanted to do a little what it'll be about, and I'm gonna shut up so you can get to the video.